Spring's right around the corner and you already know what that means. A lot of people are looking to sell their house and are asking the big question of, do I need a realtor or not? What's up everyone, this is Travis here with eXp Realty, the modern realtor. And I wanted to quickly make this video because spring is right around the corner. That means a lot of people are starting to prepare to sell their house heading into the spring market. And a lot of people think that they don't need a realtor. And granted, in a lot of markets, when the market is extremely hot, you can put a sign up and easily sell your home on your own. But in tougher markets like what we're experiencing now, where a lot of people are struggling to sell their homes, houses are sitting on the market for 3, 4, 6 weeks, it definitely requires a little bit more skill when selling your home. But regardless, what we're going to talk about in this video is how to sell your home without a realtor. Now I have 5 points here. Although all of them are very important, the last point is the most important, so make sure you stay tuned towards the end. And guys, if you enjoy real estate content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, as I make videos like this all the time for buyers, sellers, or even other real estate agents. Hit the subscribe button for more content. Now let's get into the list. The first point is make sure that your home is ready to be listed. Not only do we have to make sure our house is clean, but you really want to focus on decluttering your house. When people have too much stuff in the house, it makes the house look very small, and decluttering is one of the easiest ways that you can make your house look bigger. Also, try your best to do the little things like paint, redo any minor repairs that you can, and just focus on getting the house as clean as possible. The worst thing you can do is have your house listed for sale and have people walk through and it's dirty, there's tons of scratches on the walls, and just generally your house is a mess. Try to make sure that your house is free from debris, garbage, and even smells good, as a lot of people have built up scents from cooking over the years. So try your best to make sure that your house is absolutely clean and spotless for your showings, as most times you only have one first impression on buyers and you want that impression to be positive. The next point is that you want to try to market your home to the best of your ability. Try to get on as many online platforms as possible, such as Zillow or Redfin, and try to get your house listed onto Realtor.ca so you can be seen by as many people as possible. You might also want to advertise on social media or pay for a few ads on Facebook so that you can be seen by as many people as possible. Advertising is extremely important, and if you aren't being seen by the masses, then your home will have a hard time converting buyers. The third point is also very important, as I know without using a listing agent, you're thinking that you're not going to be paying any sort of commission, but I would always suggest offering commission to the buying agent just in case the buyer has someone representing them. Obviously, in different communities, the referral commission can range from 2% to 3% to whatever it is in your neighborhood. I would always suggest offering this commission to the other side, because most buyers are going to be using real estate agents because it's free. So if you are excluding commission to that buyer agent, you're going to turn away so many buyers and potential offers just because you're not offering commission. And I would just always recommend offering that commission to the buyer agent, or at least have some budget towards that, because I'd say about 90% of buyers end up having an agent, so you don't want to lose out on those offers by being greedy. Now the fourth point is that you're going to want to have your house available as much as possible for showings. One of the things that I hate the most is when I'm trying to show a house to my clients and there's no availability. Obviously buyers have strict schedules as well, and that's the whole point why having a real estate agent as a seller is so important, because they can take care of all of the showings. So try to make sure that your house is available for any kind of showings, as any buyer could be the person that offers the amount that you want. Try to be as flexible as possible and make sure that your home is available and ready for showings at any given time. Literally right now, we just had 4 showings booked and another one. 4 showings booked on one of my listings right now, so make sure that house is available for showings. And then finally guys, the most important point when selling your home by yourself is picking the correct listing price. This is the biggest issue with a lot of for sale by owners, is that they think their house is the greatest thing in the entire world. And granted, it might be to you, but you have to look at market value. Try to see how much houses have been selling for in your area and try to pick the houses that are similar to yours. If you're a 3-bedroom home, don't compare your home to a 5-bedroom home all because it's on the same street. try to look in the neighborhood and determine what houses look like mine and what houses have same features as mine. You can always create a free account with House Sigma and see what recent sales have been happening in your neighborhood. But the main point of this is that you don't want to overlist your house. Most for sale by owners overprice their house and end up sitting on the market for months and become extremely stale, and then buyers determine that there must be something wrong with this house, and most of the time investors come in and give lowball offers to try and buy your home. Be aggressive with the price. Don't go in it with the mindset of I'm gonna list my house at this amount so that I have $50,000 wiggle room. List your house for what it's worth by looking at comparables in the neighborhood, and you will get your offers. As long as the house is presented well, if you're listed properly, you will gain attention from buyers and possibly get multiple offers. The worst thing you can do is overprice your home and let it sit on the market for months. So I would always say list at market value, or best case, list a little bit lower to get as much attention as possible. So guys, those are my 5 points for selling your home on your own. My main thing though is if you have the opportunity, use a realtor, especially in down markets. They're gonna look after your best interests and work extremely hard to get you top dollar. If you have a great agent like myself, you can ask my clients how much money I've saved them and how much money I've made them by getting them into situations or investments that have made them hundreds of thousands of dollars over the past years. Understand the value of a realtor, but if you are gonna do it on your own, follow these 5 steps and I'm sure you can get top dollar in the correct market. As always guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions regarding real estate, comment below and I'll do my best to make a video on that. Hit the subscribe button to see more videos regarding buyers, sellers, like anything that has to do with real estate. Follow this channel and I'll do my best to make more videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.